Hello friends, welcome back to the How To channel. Today we are going to introduce how to add signature in Outlook. It tells many ways to add signature, and in this video it is very clear how to include the added signature in mail. Similarly, you Outlook if you are using it on a website. This video tells you how to add a signature, so try to watch the entire video without skipping. If you are watching videos on this channel for the first time, subscribe now. Click on the bell icon next to it and try to set it to all option. Then you will soon get notification of very useful videos like this that I upload. So after a short intro, let's get into the video. First of all, let's see how to add signature in Outlook installed in Windows. After that, I am opening my Outlook here. Okay friends, my Outlook is open here. Now let's see how to add signature in it. For that we can click on the File menu on the top left side. In the side window that is now open, you can see options at the bottom. Just click there. Now a window is open on the screen. Click on Mail, which is the second option on the left side. Then you can see the third option, Create or Modify Signatures for Messages. On the right side of this option you can see the button called Signatures. Just click there. Okay friends, this is a method to get signature option. I have already saved a signature. Here on the right side there is an option to choose mail to give our email signature, and there are options like new message and forward message. Okay, now we can add new signature by clicking on new. You can click on the button, then you can give it a name. Note that the signature is added when you mail using this name. After clicking OK, a signature has been created. Now you can add the details you want to it, and you can place those details as an image or text. Okay, now I'm temporarily typing here. Here we have many options to bold the text, change the font and adjust the size. Now we can click the OK button below and save it. Now we can see how we can apply the signature we just added in the mail. For that, click the option above Signature, then select our signature. Now you can see that signature in our mail. Okay friends, now let's see how to open the signature settings in a simple way. At the top, you will see a text that says tell me what you want to do. This is a search bar. Just click there, then search for signature. Click on the signature option. Now you can see the signature settings are easily opened here. Now let's see how to use an image as a signature. For that I am creating a new signature name. Then on the right side you can see an image icon. There just click one. Now you can select the email signature design image you want. I have selected one here. Now you can see here I have given an image as an email signature. Then click on the OK button. Now when you mail, just click signature. This signature can be selected simply. Okay friends, now let's see how to add signature for those who use Outlook website. For that I am opening my browser here, then I am searching for Outlook here. Okay, I have clicked on the first link. Okay friends, now my Outlook page is open here. I just home screen is opened by signing in. Okay friends, after reaching this home screen, you can see a settings icon on the top right side. After clicking on it, type signature in the search bar. Now you will see the option of email signature. Click there. Then in the signature tab that is open here, create a signature by giving a name. Now you can type the signature using the options shown below or add an image as you did. So far I have just added plain text. Okay, now I have saved it. Now let's see how to add it to the mail. For that, create a new message. Click on the button. Then after clicking on the three dots above, select the insert signature option. Then our signature name will be shown. If we select it, we can see that our signature has arrived in the mail. Hope you found this video helpful. More useful videos like this will be uploaded on this channel. If you like this video, please like it now. If you are watching videos on this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button next to it. Then you will be notified of new videos that I upload. It is obtained.